Hey, want to make $89,000 like my friend did on TikTok? In this video, I'll reveal the TikTok Shop affiliate secret, show you how to set up, pick viral products, and create AI-powered videos to cash in big. Stick around. This is your chance. Okay, listen up. The TikTok Shop affiliate program is an absolute gold mine right now. One simple account made $89,000 with just one video. Yeah, you heard that right. Nearly 90 grand from a single clip. And the craziest part? It's all thanks to TikTok's affiliate system, which is hands down one of the most profitable ways to make money online at this moment. Forget the creativity program. That's small fries compared to this. The affiliate program can net you thousands a month, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. I've tested every online hustle out there, and trust me, this one's a game changer. So, how did I find out? My close friend showed me a method where he pulled in $89,000. It's nuts. I begged him to break it down for me so I could share it with you guys and help you implement it to get rich too. Turns out they're selling a multi-mineral sea moss supplement through TikTok Shop. Every click on that little button earns them a commission. 20% on $89,000 in sales means $1,700 from one video. Insane, right? And the best part? It's all powered by AI. Stick with me because I'm about to walk you through how you can pull this off too. Let's dive into step 1, setting up your TikTok account to cash in. Hey, have you heard about our AI Syndicate group? That's right. Join our community and unlock AI secrets you won't find anywhere else. All the juicy details and insider tricks are waiting behind the scenes, where only a few get in. Want to master AI like a pro? Join us and become a true expert in AI tools. First things first, you need a US-based TikTok account. TikTok Shop isn't available everywhere. It's locked to places like the US, UK, and Germany. If you're not in one of those spots, you're out of luck, or so they want you to think. Lucky for you, I've got a workaround. A buddy of mine hooked me up with a legit way to get a US TikTok account no matter where you live. Head to the link I've dropped in the description. It walks you through the set. Follow every step to a T, because if you mess this up, TikTok's algorithm will sniff you out and tank your reach. Oh, and use my code AISYNDICATE at checkout for 5% off. My friend's doing us a solid. Once you've got your account, spend a few days warming it up. Like videos, drop comments, act normal. This tricks TikTok into thinking you're legit. When it's ready, you'll see the TikTok Shop option pop up in settings. Boom, you're in. Now, let's move to step 2, finding viral products that'll make you bank.
The reason you feel so sick and tired every single day is the same reason you are so unproductive. This right here combines all 3 of these wonderful herbs, plus many more, all in their purest form, like bladder rack, a gift for your gut health to help reduce bloating, along with ashwagandha for managing your stress levels. This is a multi-mineral sea moss black seed supplement by Clean Nutra. Just go to the TikTok Shop below and you can purchase yours.
All right, on to the moneymakers. Viral products. You don't want to guess here, you want data. Head over to Cow Data. It's a site that shows you what's selling like crazy on TikTok Shop. Click Products, filter by health, and you'll see vitamin supplements pulling in big numbers. One product I found has racked up over $89,000 in sales, with creators banking $17,800 just by promoting it. That's the kind of cash we're talking here. Pick a winner, something with proven sales but not oversaturated. For this, I'm going with a digestion supplement packed. It's hot right now. Once you've got your product, it's time to craft a video that hooks viewers fast. Step 3, creating that viral banger, is where the magic happens. Now let's make your video. Start with a killer hook, something like, feel lost in life? This is why. It's got to spark curiosity or call people out so they can't scroll past. Write it yourself, then head to ChatGPT for the script. Toss in your product's ingredients and aim for a 60-second clip. Generate a few versions until it's perfect. Next, voiceover time. Hit up 11 Labs, pick a voice like Marcus, paste your script, and download the audio. For visuals, use MidJourney to create AI images that match each line. Think emotional shots like a confused face for feeling lost. It takes time, but it's worth it. Then, edit it all in CapCut. It's free and easy. Import your voiceover, trim the pauses for pace, add your images, and set it to TikTok's 9:16 ratio. Spice it up with animations, auto captions, and sound effects. I've linked a free folder of them in the description. Finish with chill background music, export in 1080p, and you're golden. That's the vibe. Short, punchy, and sellable. Now optimize it for virality. Stagger uploads to dodge TikTok's bot radar. Add a surprise twist like, "Your health will thank you," and tease a series to keep viewers hooked. This isn't just talk. Top creators swear by this formula. Ready to cash in? Drop a comment if you're serious. Oh, and join our community. Connect with other AI Syndicate fanatics and us, the creators, who'll guide you through this whole process with insider tips and support. Links below. That's it. Go make some money. Here's your final video preview.
Stronger pumps, better endurance, faster recovery sounds good, right? That's what a nitric oxide booster can do for you. By increasing blood flow, it helps deliver more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, so you can lift heavier, go longer, and recover quicker. Less fatigue, more power, and results you can actually feel. Plus, improved circulation isn't just great for workouts, it supports heart health and energy levels too. Want to take your performance to the next level? It's time to get that nitric oxide boost.
AI syndicate side hustle dreams. We're turning thoughts into laser beams. With every tool, every trick you learn, we're building futures, cash to burn. So hit subscribe, don't miss the call. Your AI journey starts with us all.